Ripple XRP price prediction. Hello traders, this is how I view the state of XRP. There are three structural elements that are pointing in the same direction. Number one, we have been in a multi-year symmetric triangle that has now completed and is ready to break out. So the critical resistance is at $0.62 and a conservative measured move from the triangle break gives a price target of $11.44. Number 2. The Fibonacci retracement of entire bull market puts the next resistance level at just under $0.80. And the full Fibonacci extension of the same retracement takes us to a price target of $11.25. Number 3. There is a multi-year resistance that ended each minor rally during that interval at just over $0.80. If we put the whole market in a parallel channel, the upper target points to $17. So we have a series of resistance breaks and series of targets that are all lining up. You should keep in mind that this is not a financial advice, just a personal opinion. So the latest news about XRP is Ripple shifts almost 750 million XRP. According to recent blockchain data, the cryptocurrency behemoth has shifted an equivalent of $407,204,170. The transactions were made between the company's wallet. In late December 2020, the SEC sued Ripple Labs for selling XRP, referring to it as an unregistered security, as well as its two CEOs. However, since that time, Ripple has scored 15 new contracts with banks and apparently sends them XRP as part of the contract. Besides, the SEC has recently produced evidence that Ripple co-founder and former CEO Chris Larsen continues to sell XRP despite the legal suit against him. Meanwhile, XRP, the 7th ranked cryptocurrency by market capitalization value, surged above the $0.50 level on March 21 and since then has been trading in the $0.55 range. Many in the XRP community believes that the lawsuit from the SEC preventing the coin from surging higher. On March 23, the coin managed to hit $0.60 on Binance as the community created a petition urging exchanges to release the token for trading. So the XRP has been forming this beautiful ascending triangle and getting ready to break out to the upside. This trade could take us to our target to $1.16. The ascending triangle is a bullish formation that usually forms during an uptrend as a continuation pattern. Ascending triangles are a bullish formation that anticipates an upside breakout, while descending triangles are a bearish formation that anticipates a downside breakout. Currently, Ripple is trending upwards. It has rebounded from last week's support of around $0.4. XRP has made a quick recovery above $0.55 and is dealing with a crucial hurdle likely to give away to massive gains towards $0.65. The cross-border token is pivoting at the ascending parallel channel middle boundary. The retreat from $0.6 held onto the support at $0.53. So the ongoing recovery happens. Ripple must settle above the middle level of the channel so that it can confirm the impending upswing. If we look at the super trend indicator, we can say the resistance path is upward based on the bullish impulse. A signal to long Ripple was presented on March 16 in the wake of support at $0.4. As a result, it helps investors so that they can identify the trend of an asset. As long as the super trend line stays under the price, XRP's uptrend will be intact. Sentiment says Ripple's network growth has been on an upward roll since March 19. This spike in the number of unique addresses joining the network daily is a clear indicator that it will last. So we can say XRP USD is still in a more or less bullish situation. However, now this is the time for XRP USD to show up with the right confirmation to fully validate this establishment and the breakouts that occurred. When XRP USD manages to bounce within the conformational bounce cluster where several supports lying consisting of the 600 EMA in red, the 400 EMA in green and the lower boundary of descending channel, it will be the proper origin of a continuous channel breakout, and when this happens with XRP USD, closing above the upper boundary as it is marked in my chart. It will activate further bullish continuations and activation of upside targets. So this will be an interesting development ahead. Keep in mind, information provided is only educational and should not be used to take action in the market. I hold no responsibility for your loss or profit. For more technical analysis, subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.